Hey guys, it's again and I'm back again with another video, and as you can see down by the title below, we'll be doing a Jamaican quiz. Part 1 to this video will be down in the description box at Empress Evie's channel. Let's get into this video.
That Bob Marley real name.
You don't know this?
Okay, so on this team we have Yaniki and we have Shanique. And on this team we have Brittany. And we have Rochelle.
Winning team.
Team A and Team B. Let's get this quiz going on. First question. Who is on Team A? Who is on Jamaica $5,000 bill?
He was sharing.
Alright. Alright, Team B. What is the most poisonous fruit in Jamaica?
Aki.
Alright. Whoa! Team Team A. When was Marcus Garvey born?
Go ahead.
August 17, 1887.
Correct.
Whoa!
Shot fires. Hello.
Team B. Team B. How many kids? How many kids does Bob Marley have?
Growing up, I see a lot of children. 12.
Ajad.
Disqualified.
No, Jaja wind up himself.
Why? Correct. Team A. What is Bob Marley real name?
You don't know this?
We got to learn. Like a she alone on the team.
Robert Nesta Marley?
Correct.
Rochelle, do you say camera ready? You have to get here too?
Yes, everything.
Well, we're wrong.
Yes. Pass.
August 1st, 1962. Thank you.
Correct. Incorrect. Incorrect. Incorrect.
We do this with confidence. You understand?
So it's August 1, 1834. Your question now.
Yeah, that after editor we don't say so.
What is Beanie Man's real name?
Moses Davis.
Incorrect. What is Beanie Man's real name? What is Beanie Man's real name?
Davis Moses.
We know say that you're not gonna say. His real name is Anthony Moses Davis.
So they middle name of Moses?
That's not his full name.
Could I give them half?
Don't. Oh, for God's phone question now. This question comes from George. Who is the best Jamaican actor?
Oliver Samuels.
Incorrect.
Repeat that.
Who is the best Jamaican actor?
Seriously? I want to find him.
One.
And one come up on the internet.
One come up.
One come up.
When you use internet, look who you
If
use
you
it.
have to use internet, I don't internet music, I tell her research sheets.
Who is it? You give up?
Come on.
Really?
Louis Bennett.
Give up.
Louis Bennett actor?
I'm not trying to act.
Because people stop using.
Oh,
Say it.
say it.
Say it.
Hey, cut that fuck.
Glenn Campbell.
Paul Campbell.
Paul Campbell.
The man that come in a third World Cup. Yeah, I'm the best Jamaican actor.
Which one? You want
Oh, the one there.
The one that come in a third World
I
Cup.
know.
You mean that black man that we always...
Yes.
Oh.
I'm the Jamaican best actor.
Yeah.
Alright.
I didn't forget. I want to keep what day that's when we said so.
Next question, Funo one. What is the longest river in Jamaica? Correct. You guys know.
How much of it?
What, what is Skillibeng real name?
Listen, I love Still Bang, but I don't love him like that. I'll stop with that.
Bomba!
Teeth, kill it. You got yourself. Dandara. It ain't got
Alright.
side.
Don't know. What is Skillibeng real name?
I don't know.
Hey, what?
His real name is Emwa Warmington. Ask me where your mother did that say. Funo question. What is Squash real name?
Ask him.
Better shots him on. Pass.
Turn pass Andre Whitaker. Funo one. How often do we have a leap year?
Every 5 years.
Incorrect.
Every 10 years.
Incorrect.
Dance and I'm bouncing.
Get the fuck out of here, Dan.
Fuck education.
That'd be nice, man. That's something before. Every 4 years.
Year.
Don't do that.
I pass for Cheltenham every 10 years.
And that to do me with Bujo. Alright, this is a finish. No,
No,
get
pass
it.
for the 10 years. I give me a passport.
Funo one now. This is a finish the lyrics. It's our last section.
No, but I mean, I want to finish. Oh, yeah,
After the one. Finish the lyrics. It's only I go play once.
No, you can't do that.
Right?
You have to play.
You can't tell me that. When school challenge, we're gonna play it 2 times. Ready?
Really long time.
You know it.
You know my favorite radio of the week.
And your mother never do bad you all the time.
Why the song then? And then you choose Inna Emigla
That's
song.
Beyonce.
Yeah.
Pick song from the first girl.
No, you can't tell me which part for play.
They don't say,
What if, yes.
Let me never run then. Never run.
Alright.
Get it, yeah, get it.
Funo one now. Funo one now. Ready?
I noticed that they like this side, the easy Christian.
The underneath pretty like a drawing. Me want a man fi jam it up in a me parking spot.
Boom. Take. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, cut that fuck.
But they
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, take it.
Man.
What a bit too. Oh, something else. No, something else.
Yeah, Shensi a fan. I mean, I know that the song is.
Have a bad
Why? Alright, this Afido. You especially, Yannick, is supposed to get this.
We're not supposed to get back some.
Wait, I'm gonna reach you now.
You're hungry, friend. You're hungry, friend.
More like that banana. Everything else.
You know, you with your partner. Yeah. Oi. 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 Your friend say me a drink pine and ginger.
But we can't see you last time, David. Try your channel. If you ever know your time.
Phone on now.
Everybody cups up. Everybody cups up.
Last one.
No, this last one like 2 weeks. Alright, one. Okay, that's what I mix the pussy, girl. Are you my God? Oh, me, I tell us me, I beg you. Me, I tell us me, go. Dirt books.
Alright.
She stopped driving. She stopped driving. You can't do it.
Last one.
I drop her off. Like Tyson. I'm looking belly just for subscribe, guys.
But don't like this way. So guys, the person behind the camera was very unfair. Anyways, this is the end of this video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Comment below.